In Germany, Bundesliga, Union Berlin's Yannick Haberer scored twice in 13 minutes as the Bundesliga leaders cruised past Borussia Dortmund 2-0 on Sunday, October 16th, to open up a 5-point gap at the top of the league table. Haberer first pounced when Dortmund keeper Gregor Kobel miskicked the ball to tap in from close range in the 8th minute and then drilled in another with a powerful shot from the edge of the box in the 21st. Dortmund's backline was leaking like a sieve in the first half, and the visitors were lucky to go into the break just a 2-goal deficit as Union's Gerardo Becker wreaked havoc down the wing. They improved after the break, and Kobel redeemed himself for his first half error with a full stretch save to stop a Timo Bugmuttel header. But they completely lacked ideas in attack to threaten the hosts. The win puts leaders Union, who have the league's best defense, on 23 points. Dortmund's fourth league loss of the season saw them drop to 8th on 16 points.